Bonnie, happy Monday. Check it out. New A-Box from Avon. I'm so excited. But before we go any further, oh my gosh, you guys, you're going to want to sign up for my email newsletter. We got 4 to 5 campaigns of all Christmas coming, including these awesome purple slippers I just got. I love these slippers. But in order to get on my e-coupon list, you're going to want to go below the video or go to www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. It's up on the screen. And subscribe to my e-coupon newsletter. I send out a newsletter and I send you coupons directly from Avon. Then they're loaded into your screen and it's super easy. It's awesome. So, Avon A-Box. These are so nice, you guys. $10. I used to do like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, and I was spending a fortune on beauty boxes, and then I switched my entire makeup collection over to Avon. I'm so happy. Best thing I ever did. I get the A-Box every 2 weeks. So the A-Boxes are $10 with a $40 purchase. So if you spend $40 and then you do an additional $10 with the A-Box, that brings you up to $50. However, if you get your order up to $60, I send everyone a coupon this campaign, and you get another A-Box of beauty care. So it's a really good deal. So if you spend the $60, add in your A-Box, use the coupon, you're going to get 2 A-Boxes. So that's a really awesome deal. If you have any questions, leave them below. So this A-Box is called All the Glimmers, and really good stuff this campaign. A-Boxes typically come out every campaign. We get a new one. So first thing you're going to get is the Glimmer Kiss. And what shade is this? This is the, is it called, what's it called? It's called Violet Sapphire. I'm like, what is this called? Check it out. Look at the shade. This is such a fun fuchsia shade. I'm going to put this on. Oops. It's super bright, you guys. I used to wear this in the 80s all the time. I would probably tone this down a little bit. I feel like this is a little bit bright. So what I do is I have my FMG matte Love about Avon. You can layer. So I just toned it down just a hair, just to get it so it's not like, whoo, but I like the shade. It's actually really pretty. So you get that. And then you also get one of the Glimmer shadows that I'm always raving about. I love the Glimmer shadows. This one is in Crystal Violet. Yeah, Crystal Lilac. Crystal Lilac. Check this one out. How pretty is this? Look at this. It's the top shade there. Gorgeous shade. I love purple. And then you're going to get more purple. You're going to get one of the True Color Glimmer Stick eyeliners in, check it out, in purple right there. It's like a shiny, like a glittery, I think it's got like a little bit of a metallic sheen. I don't think it's glitter. It's no glitter. It's just like a metallic sheen in the eyeliner. And then you're going to get one of the Love at First Lash mascaras. So awesome. You know, you get 2 eye products. You get the lip, actually you get 3 eye products. You get an eyeliner, a mascara, an eyeshadow, and then a lipstick. So awesome deal on that A-Box. Let me put a little, I didn't put mascara on this morning. Let me put a little mascara on for you guys and just show you guys this. I'm actually wearing a brown shade right now. I just put it on my top lashes. I don't know if I could do my bottom lashes on camera, but check that out. Looking much better with mascara on. I love mascara. Always put on mascara. Look, I look more awake with mascara now. So anyway, awesome A-Box this campaign. We're in campaign 22. This is not Christmas yet. Christmas starts next campaign. So if you want to stock up on stuff like your wipes, any of your Avon essentials, definitely check out the catalog. We've got the Skin So Soft Original and the Soft and Sensual, and what is it? The look at that! I just got tongue-tied. Isn't that funny? Oh my gosh, you guys! I was just talking about Skin So Soft yesterday, and I can't remember the name of the, what is it? It's Radiant Moisture. That just left my brain. It's a Monday. But we've got those in the giant ones. And these get sold out really fast. So if you want to get one of these, they're $12.99 right now. So that's a good deal. So anyway, all of my information is below. You order from my e-store. You get free shipping on 60. Sign up for my coupons because Christmas is a-coming. So that'll be fun. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.